Today I want to show you one of Stampin' Up's gorgeous all-inclusive kits, and this one is called Painted Wishes. And this kit requires no stamping at all. You just punch it out and put it together. Now sometimes I love more intense crafting, but when you want something that's homemade but just really quick and easy, something that you can do with friends when you're sitting around chatting, our kits are absolutely wonderful. They're also great to take on vacation or give away as gifts. So I love the Painted Wishes set because it's all pre-printed with these beautiful floral images. And the sentiments are already printed and everything, and I love the foil in them. If you can see that shimmer there in that sentiment, it's just beautiful. So there are 3 different designs in this kit, and so I've just shown you here putting each of the cards together. And look how pretty these are. I just think they're fantastic. You can also put together a kit like this and then wrap it up and give it as a gift already finished if the person you're giving it to isn't interested in crafting or doesn't know how to craft. I love to give hostess gifts when I'm invited over to someone's house, and this would make a fabulous gift. Now this is the last design here. You just glue it together, the different layers, and add the sentiment, and then you're done. And then the last thing you'll do here is add the little sequins onto the cards. I've just shown you on one of them here, and it's done. Thanks so much for watching. You can go over to my website and grab this kit at madetocreatewithlisa.com.